Hello and welcome friends. Welcome to my channel Coding with Anand. Today I am back with my new project that is food wastage management system. Basically this project is a good concept. This is basically developed for those persons who are basically interested in donating their foods. The individual can donate their foods if they have some excess at their home, or a restaurant can register himself on the website in order to donate for some needy persons. So this is the home page of this website. So this is the slider. This is the about us page. You can see to provide unconditional help to poor and needy person, and like that just the simple text is there. So this is contact us. I didn't updated it, and this is the login page, and this is donor page, and this is agent page. So there are three kinds of user in this project. First user is the admin user, second one is the agent, and third one is the donor. So the most important is that the donor will register himself, and he can donate their food to someone. And once he donate, and the donation will goes to the admin, and the admin will accept the donation, and once he accepted, he will transfer it to agent to collect from the donor. And the agent, after collecting, then it will deliver it to some needy persons. So this is the whole flow of this application. So I am creating donor number one. So there is an email verification as well. So what I do, in order to show you the whole functionality, I am basically deleting the user so that I can show you that my email is working properly. Fine. Okay. uh, Let me check. This is donor number 7. So donation from donor number 7 is there. Fine. Okay, now I think we will be able to delete this donor number 7. Okay, now it is in food collection. Okay, fine, so delete it. Okay, so now we will be able to delete. So there is a foreign key relationship actually, that's why I am not able to delete that one. Now we are ready to go. So this is, let's suppose I will do all the operation with my name. So this is Anand Singh, and this is my mobile number. This is not the real mobile number, so you will find my mobile number in my uh, description. I will share you at the rate hotmail.com. It's my second email id that I will use in order to receive the email of registration confirmation. So let's say 23 and password. Let's register. So once we register, it will say agent registered successfully. This is not the right way. No issues, no issues, no issues. But mail will send directly. So I think it should appear right. So this is my email id 1911, right? So this is the current email id. You can see the okay. This is not the, actually I forgot to update the template, so that's why. So I delete this user, and the user from this area as well. Fine. So basically on donor part, I have added the html template for emailing. So let's create this one. Anand Singh, the individual, the phone number, and smart.anandsingh@hotmail.com, the new Delhi password, enter. And once I register, donor registered successfully. Now I will show you. Actually I have added the template based scenario. Now look, this is what I have updated. So this is the email template that I have used to provide html based emailing. So no issues. So there are and many agents we have registered here as well. So let's log in with smart.anandsingh@hotmail.com. Password. Here is the profile page in which you will get the information who has logged in, and there is this link as well, the name as well, and donate. This is the tab, or this is the menu in which we basically fill up the form. Let's say rice and dal, quantity is 4 plates, and date of cooking is today 14, and address to collect New Delhi, anywhere. Okay, this we need to update actually. Okay, donate successfully, and the donate page, let me update because I basically forgot sometime. Okay, donate, come on, there's donate now, save it, and let's reload. Fine, so let's go to donations. You can see that donation has been done. Log out, and let's log in with the admin. So this is the second stage. Once the donor donates his items to someone, the request will goes towards the administrator. So administrator, on the dashboard you can see that how many agents are there, how many donors are there, how many foods has been collected and donated. So donation part, this is the complete donations list, the agents, the how many agents are there, the donors, how many donors are there. So go to the donations tab, and in the donation section we will see that these has been collected, and this is today's my and details. So you can see this is the process. We can accept or reject, as we can see, or maybe due to time range this rice and dal is not good for health, so we can reject it, but we are going to accept it. Once we accept it, this form will appear. So the donation status has been updated, and now we can go to any agent, and once we register the agent, we will be able to log in, and we can basically select any of the agent who is nearby to, or he is available for the purpose of collecting the food. So just collect the food, and donate to poor and needy. Fine, let's submit it. So this is the admin remarks. Okay, so let's log out, and now it comes to agent part. So we have added rajesh@gmail.com, and you can see there is a notification. So the Rajesh can see that there is a notification that he has got something. Here is the notification, and here is the history tab, that how much collection he has been done at his end, the orphanage name where he has given this one. So notification, let's collect the food, and the date and time of collection, this one, and the 16, and orphanage name, task address, whatever name you want to provide. Now this has been collected. So this is what we basically do. Now you can see that there is no notification at all. So this is the whole functionality of this project. I think you can understand the functionality of this project. Let's see the login, and we can see the donation is now collected. Okay, so this is the whole functionality of this project. This is basically developed in Spring Boot and JPA. The database is MySQL, and I have used the email template in order to send the mail. As you can see, this is the email template that I have used here. So I am using MySQL as the database, and the whole project pattern is there. I have also added a filter as well, who is basically responsible for filtering the request, that nobody without logging inside the system will go to any page. Let's suppose I can go to any page, but if I log out, I cannot go to agents page. Agents, enter, it will go to this page. Okay, so this is the whole functionality of the filter. So this is what I have done, and I think you have liked the concept of this food wastage project. If you like this project, you can connect to me to buy the project, and if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel. I will come back again with my new concept, my new project, with new ideas, with new technologies. I basically develop project in multiple technologies. If you want to connect to me, you can connect with me to create project in different technologies like .NET, Java, PHP, Oracle. I'm sorry, not Oracle, PHP and Laravel, and React and Angular, whatever technology you want. So you can connect to me. I can develop project in any technology. So till then, wait and watch to my channel. I will come back with my new project. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you.